Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for DayZ Error Code 0x00020009. The error reads, "Connection failed." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to connect to a server in DayZ. Many users have reported that they are unable to join any server, regardless of platform, while some have managed to connect after multiple attempts. Interestingly, a few players have found that they can connect using mobile hotspot internet, which suggests the issue may be network-related. Before trying any fixes, make sure DayZ is updated to the latest version. If the game is up to date with its latest version, then instead of clicking play after receiving the error, try joining your server from the server browser. Simply open DayZ's standalone launcher, then attempt to join your desired server. If the error appears, do not click play from the main screen. Instead, go back to the server browser and try joining again. Many users have reported this method working consistently. If the error still continues, try switching between wired and wireless connections. If you are using Wi-Fi, connect an Ethernet cable to your router and try again. If you are already using a wired connection, switch to Wi-Fi and test if it helps. If the error still continues, try using a mobile hotspot to connect. First, connect your device to a mobile hotspot and join the server. Once you're inside the game, reconnect to your normal router. This may boot you to the main menu, but after that, try joining again. Some players have reported success with this workaround, so give this a try and see if this helps you too. If the issue persists, try using a different launcher. Some players have managed to connect by switching to an alternate DayZ launcher. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.